Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, are aliens really coming soon? Well, November is stirring up tons of buzz. Some say strange UFO sightings are increasing, but here's a surprising fact. Most of these sightings turn out to be natural or man-made objects. So, is it mystery or imagination? Let's dive in and separate the cosmic facts from the sci-fi stories. Did you know? In recent years, the US government officially acknowledged dozens of unidentified aerial phenomena, fancy words for UFOs. But here's the catch. Most turn out to be drones, weather balloons, or atmospheric tricks. It's like seeing magic but finding out it's a clever illusion. Myth-busting moment, November isn't special for alien visits, it just cranks up our curiosity for the unknown. Ever wondered if we're alone in the universe? Scientists estimate there are over 100 billion planets in our galaxy alone. Did you know? Some planets could have oceans and atmospheres like Earth, making them cozy homes for life. Think of it as searching for a cosmic neighborhood filled with possible neighbors. Are we about to meet any this November? What if we could really spot aliens? Scientists use radars, satellites, and telescopes to scan the skies for signs of extraterrestrial tech. Fascinating fact, NASA's new telescopes detect signals from billions of light years away. Did you know? Sometimes signals come from natural stars or cosmic radio waves, showing us a universe full of surprising sounds and lights. Who hasn't heard stories about an alien encounter? From Roswell to Area 51, these tales spark imaginations worldwide. Fun fact, many famous sightings have logical explanations, like weather phenomena or human error. November might bring new stories, but separating truth from tale helps us appreciate the wonder without the worry. Did you know NASA, Europe's ESA, and other space agencies actively research alien life? They send probes, scan stars, and monitor radio waves for signs of ET. Myth bust. So far, no confirmed alien contact, but every discovery deepens our cosmic story. In November or beyond, space science is a thrilling quest for answers. Aliens often steal the show in movies and TV, especially with spooky November vibes around Halloween. Did you know the alien invasion theme spikes in popularity every fall? From glowing spaceships in sci-fi flicks to mysterious lights in video games, our fascination with aliens is as old as the stars themselves. What if? Futurists imagine smart telescopes, AI, and space missions that might someday connect us to aliens. Verified fact, the SETI Institute listens 24/7 for signals, hoping for a hello from the stars. Fun fact, some scientists believe aliens might use types of communication we haven't even discovered yet. Love a good alien mystery? November's packed with shows, movies, and events celebrating outer space and UFOs. From glowing documentaries to sci-fi thrillers, this month lights up with cosmic wonder. Did you know? Watching these stories sparks discussions, inspires discoveries, and keeps our eyes on the skies. So, are aliens coming this November? The mystery is alive and glowing. Whether it's glowing facts, myths, or sci-fi dreams, our universe is full of stories waiting to be told. Remember, like the adventures we've shared, the stars keep inviting us to explore. Keep your curiosity glowing, and who knows, maybe one day, you'll be the one discovering the next big cosmic secret. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun, exciting, and informative content. Got a topic you're curious about? Drop a comment below and let me know what you want to learn next. Join the Byteverse TV family and let's keep exploring the coolest stuff together. See you in the next adventure.